Hi, welcome in, welcome in. Okay, I need to set a secret really quick. Codeberg. Secrets. Add a secret. And add a variable. So now our CI can push. Okay, cool. That's true, I muted myself. Bonjour! bonjour, ça va? Ça va bien? And then I said that no one expects the German guy to speak French. Yeah. Okay, I am... Wait, what cluster is up? Whatever. But I'm in France right now. What? Crazy. Nice. So we're gonna look at this a little bit more. Don't need these, but we do need the Prism launcher. Don't need that. Okay, yeah, we don't need to show any of this because that is secret. For a month, nice. That is nicer. Oh yeah, let's go. But with the... I really did like the... Nah, well, okay, we're gonna give him some time. Multiplayer. There's no .env in the workspace root. There is. You just don't... Yeah. So, I don't know. They have 222 subscribers on YouTube. I have not actually, no. I've been incredibly busy, but yeah. Um, okay, just the CI push var and secret. How did it go with the car? I read hit with a car, and then I was like, I didn't get hit by a car. Luckily, but yeah, it went well. It went well. I now have my my car back. I'm now allowed to drive again. I'm excited. Very excited. And yeah, hopeful that that can stay this way. Because yeah, I like this car. It is not a fast car. It is not a exceptional car, but it drives well, it's comfy, and it's mine. Mine. Set online. Um Okay, so we're still waiting on a few things here. Oh yeah. One issue with the that we're currently having is that we don't have enough space at Coburg. So some things just don't work yet. But we're getting there, we're getting there. Is also doing something. I still think that this is too much. What we're gonna see. Maybe I should write this. I still think the preview should include all. Have one. Different themes. Minimal. Definitely we want comic, sticky, and modern dark, I guess. Uh, Also keep the text readable. That may be a big ask. Yeah, but that Ship it. Write a. Yeah, you know what? Uh, okay. Something to prove should include all things. Cluttery. Maybe have them one message cycle. Three of 4 different themes. 3 is written with 2 E's. What the fuck? It's barely legible. By the way, maybe I do this so you can actually see what I'm doing here. This is not as interesting. Infrastructure. Which was barely legible. Yeah. Do I need anything else? Mock up some more versions on our homepage to a really professional feel. Okay, that's being worked on. We're back to this. Okay. We are doing K3D here, and this is dun, 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 dun. You're right. By the way, why are you not on a work tree? And did Claude die again? What? I'm still live, am I? Does this machine not have internet anymore? I mean, you're obviously freaking out. Oh, this whole thing is freaking out. Oh, lovely. Not logged in. Okay. Yeah, that now died too. So I probably should just restart. Cool. Reboot. What? Oh, that is fun. Control Shift, no, Alt Shift F. What's it again? Oh, there you go. Cool. Will that be enough? Ham transaction aborted. Yeah. Okay, so then we'll find a different TTY. What the fuck? Okay, if I press F2, does that work? Couldn't restart fast. Whoa! What the fuck? Okay. Let's try hard rebooting. Lovely. Something died. Something died. So I'm gonna get a lemonade while this guy boots up again. Uh, Interesting. Would be interesting if this guy just died now. Am I stupid? Don't punch yourself in the nuts with a hammer, okay? We don't do that for fun. We do that for money. Okay. We're back. We're back. Alright, effort. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's okay. I want to see the Aerod call. Come on. Continue. Ultra code. Zoom. I think that's this one, right? Okay. Ah. Prism. Oh my. I'm actually just not able to run this many agents. Is that actually where we're stuck? It's 1 out of 5. Oh, crazy. I'm actually running Ohm. Bro, I can't. How am I always pushing what's possible to these extents? Wow. Wow. Oh, it's fully frozen. Oh, this is fully frozen again. Oh. Holy shit, man. And we could switch to TTY again, but then we basically again we start today. There we go. That's better though. Not much better. Bro, can't even run a login. Holy shit. Remember, this that machine does not run the stream, right? Oh boy. How the fuck? Okay, restarting. Oh man. Holy shit. My chat is broken. Oh, fucking hell. Actually? How did I manage to do that? Bring you on stream is prohibited. Fuck you, is your SSD cooked? I don't think it's the agents. I think what's they're running? Yeah, exactly. But how the frick did this die now? Okay, I'm gonna... They're streaming somewhere else too. Pretty sure hide rating is not prohibited. Yeah, this is just like, this is orange lemon, like orange lemonade. There we go. Now it works again. What the fuck? At least on here, I just need to reload it here too. I don't know why though. Here's some... don't believe in labels. So... Bims, do you want to guess what just opened? We're gonna play today. We're gonna still mod some Minecraft if my PC allows me to. The BIOS. I don't remember pressing anything. Do you not have swap? Obviously I don't have swap. Swap shits. What do you mean if I allow? Not you. I don't give a shit what you allow. Are you Russian? No? It's like, what? Huh? Bro, I can't. Are you shitting me? Is my SSD actually fried? Run smartctl on it? How? I can't get into... Oh, Arch Linux, okay, we're getting a grub, Get the USB out, I don't know, yeah, I mean, fair. Oh yeah, no, I'm very far from Russian. Okay, we're back. You seem a bit off today. I'm really on. I don't seem to have smartctl. No smartctl. And in which package is this? Oh, I love it. And SmartMon tools. Okay. So I might have it because I do have underscore SmartMon tools. How many languages can you code in? Assisted or non-assisted? Because assisted in basically any and unassisted in 5 or so. Assisted meaning I let the clanker do it. Smart CTL. Bam bam bam. Dash dash all. Slash dev and seems okay. That is not the right one. Percentage use 0%. That's not the right one, is it? Teach me too. Teach yourself. That's the only way you're gonna learn. They're all fine. Yeah, they're all fine. NVM2 it is the one. This is the one, and that's fine. But they're all fine. And what's the use of that bachelor degree? What bachelor degree? I have a master. Don't lump me in with those lowly bachelors. Yeah, then I don't know. Nah, I'm pretty sure it was SSD, CPU and RAM. Let me just show you what's happening here. If I resume. Alright, sorry. Slash efforts. Ultra gut. Let's resume. There we go. Add swap. Fuck, no, I'm not gonna add swap. Swap sucks. I have 32 gigs of memory. Why would I need swap? If I had swap, then I would have a SSD issue. $64 and 4 gigs swap and cancel runs full. Do you think I for now enjoy without me? No, you're gonna stay. You're gonna stay. I'm not gonna let you go. You're one of us now. You are now the second stream in a row. You have now gotten Ankh privileges, you know? So you haven't even used those. Never mind, 32 gig swap. Okay, yeah, I was about to say, right? Oh, 4 gigs of swap when your 64 gigs are full. Oh no, now you have 68. Oh, what a difference. That would be okay. Was that a compliment or just get roasted? Yes. Why would you need to know? You just want it that way. And you know it. It's fine. Good stuff, good stuff. Gonna wait for... Oh, it seems okay. Okay. Did he get... Come on, get... Electric... Google Workspace, Claude... / effort... Ultra code... / resume... Resume, no. Resume... Okay. So this one was also not it. In the meantime, you know, what I'm gonna do. Oh. Oh. Oh, I think we got it again. It's that import script. Oh, it's this import script. I might just need to leave it running. What the fuck does this import script even do? I just then followed, reported for nudity, because that thought was way too exposed. Yeah. No. Oh, I'm so... Oh no. Oh. What the fuck? Anyway. Now think for a comeback. Trust me, I can show you way more than just my forehead, but you're too poor. How's that for a comeback? I want to see that hairy black ass. Where did the black come from? Where did the black come from? Is the black person in this room? Are you okay? Are you just schizophrenic? Like, sorry, but I am as white as it gets. Like, literally. I'm whiter? You haven't seen me, my hidden... Okay, something is really weird here. But at least they're running now. Okay. No output available. What does import do? Hidden talent? Uh-huh. Did you know that a talent is actually a currency, or used to be a currency? So, you was pole dancing? Yeah, but you can hide your talent somewhere. Um. Oh boy. How is encoding overloaded? Not logged in. Please run slash login. I say bullshit, but we're gonna do. Oof. Nice. Okay, some things are actually just dying. Subcoding, or else you won't have the remaining hair. Again, I'm completely fine with where my hair is standing because it's not moving. It just is showing all my cranial capacity, and I know that that is intimidating for a person of your standing, but I am just that good. Okay, so your forehead is pregnant with amazing ideas, and they're just waiting to be birthed. You know, they're just waiting to be birthed. Bims, I am having issues. Why the fuck is it trying to what? Mail? Run smart CTL again? I don't think I can. I can't. Uh Wait, why does that work now? Somewhat? Can't open a bash. No, I mean that works, so. My ZSH is fucked. How? Yeah, I'm going to restart the PC again, and then we're going to investigate this because something is really wrong here. I even need to die the PC. I don't know what's going on. Interesting. Huh. It's good if you sleep. No. I I don't need sleep. I need answers. I can help you sleep. Aw, you want to cuddle? Hmm. Only for money. Now we see. Okay, phew. What do you think I'm from? The UK. Because you cringe as fuck. Are you British? No, I'm not. Why would I call myself cringe? I know that I am, but like, why would I do that? It doesn't seem to be the script, does it? I'm not British nor cringe. Yeah, that you're not British, I can see now because you can't even type. It's I'm neither British nor cringe. It's neither nor. Doesn't even know how to use English. What the fuck? That's cringe. Sarcasm, dumbass. if you want to denote sarcasm in text form, you will have to denote that using a marker because sarcasm is mainly transferred through intonation, which you don't have in text. So, no, not allowed. Brother, what is this thing doing? What the fuck you said? Oh, maybe I said something that you don't understand. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Can't even can neither write nor hear English. Right, nor understand. Be a man? I'm more man than you'll ever be. So I'm perfectly comfortable in my body. Oh. Ah, say that face to face? Why? So you can kiss me? Ah, how shy he is now that he's all like, oh what? No, I no. Oh, now he can't type anymore. Ah. Yeah, this one actually breaks something. This one actually breaks something. What the fuck is this doing? Oh boy. The script is killing something, but I don't know what. And now I can't write this anywhere, can I? Lovely. Shit. How can I get this now into a text file? I could try echo. It's mixing. Oh, echo won't work either because it's mixing quotation, like quotes. So I can't quote everything. Or I do echo, paste all of this, yeah, and then I have whatever that fuck is. Wait, is it now in history? Okay, my history does prevail, right? Yeah, okay. Then we're gonna restart, get that from out of the history again, and then we're gonna see. Oh, what a painful thing. What a painful thing. Let's go. Interesting how I like actually is all of this decided of the sun just because I told him, hey, I'm not gonna get this smooch. Getting baited by the masturbator. I'm guessing you should not let the agents run. The agents are not the problem. The agents are not the problem. It's that script. That script fails catastrophically. Because it's written in Bash! And I knew it was a bad idea. But then I was like, how bad could it be, right? What does it do? It spins up a local K3D and some debug bridges and stuff like that, but it will be rewritten in Python now. Yeah. I did not know how bad of an idea that would be, but hey. I mean, at least I can like save this version, send it to my colleagues, and be like, "Hey, wanna run this?" And then have them there. I mean, the Clanker can do bash just fine if it's not complex. That's the problem. That's the problem. For like a few hundred lines, and that's way too long. Everything above 20 lines, it can't use bash. And I really need to write that into my global Claude MD. I already have that in a few projects, but that needs to be persisted in the global one. And then also cut to the dot history, no, ZSH, oh, sorry, slash dot ZSH. What? It didn't get saved? Okay, that's fine. Go back in the VOD and type it? Yeah, fuck that. The import is crashing the machine. Rewrite it in Python and find issue. I can't point you to where it fails, as nothing will be preserved after I run it. Reread in Python. Oh my god, I can actually not. In Python and find the issue. I can't point you to where it fails, as nothing will be preserved after I run it. Therefore, do not run it. And write into the global Claude MD to not write bash longer than, let's say, 30 LOC. Loga. It's Claude.md, there we go. Okay, now that we know what crashed this thing, we can spawn more agents again. cd git allchat Claudit / resume Alright, sorry, /effort /resume. When you continue, the machine crashed because of a agent. Okay. Okay. Back at it again. Uh, Continue. Another agent crashed the system. There's no loop /for. Oh, the machine killer is almost certainly K3D image import. Hard freeze, leaving source, memory exhaustion. Maybe. I mean, yeah. I really do not buy this one. Memory exhaustion, we did not see that. A build kit produced manifest list images with attestation manifests. We saw exporting attestation manifest list during the build, and K3D image import has known catastrophic interactions with that. What? Okay. It is kind of crazy how much RAM I already am using, right? 10 gigs of RAM, basically? For what? No, it's in 626. Yeah, God knows. Isn't this a fun one? Anyway. Oh yeah, so many more. Okay, let's do this, I guess. Surely, right? Options. Let's see. Yeah. Ah, lovely. Just running. Okay. Seems like we have a certificate. That's nice. Okay. Good, 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 good. What? Hi, real C PvP. How's the name? Welcome and welcome in. How you doing? Do we have a Grafana already? Grafana. Dot oh wait, that's .eb probably, eh? Yeah, there we go. Okay, 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 okay. Someone ignored my DMs. Bro, I didn't ignore your DMs. I just don't get them. Huh? It's an EB. Oh, yeah, okay. That's. Yes, please. Thank you. So what's wrong? And you never tested it? Yeah. Yeah. 100% that. Do I have a. Do I have a password for that already? No. Bims, I don't have a password. Don't have a password. Lol. Crazy. You set it up? Oh shit, then it's probably uh, nope. It's not admin. Can't show you what I'm doing right now. Crazy. Bro managed to follow twice. Anyhow, okay. I can't show you what I'm doing right now because we are going in. Claude just did something and I'm impressed. Artifacts? That auto-opened. I don't know what that is. LibreWolf can't open this page. To see this page, you need to open it in a new window. Good. Cool. That did not work. Spin up, playwright, and show me the changes. That way, the artifact thing got blocked by yep. Open. Don't care, do not care. Yeah, no. I don't think we want all to show to be applicable. This is still very use a ensure the design yeah. Cluttered, ensure the design is professional and clean. We want to tease the best and most distinct, not overwhelm new users. We have nope. Yeah. Additionally, the fucking hell. The is hardly ensure our design tokens are proper ability. Overwhelm new users and yeah, while keeping the flow for returning users clean so they can log in well. Okay, how can I describe what I want? Maybe a automatic carousel. Which showcases a selection of themes. Key, minimal, comic, trading card looks kind of wonky, sticky notes, and modern dark. That's a decent variation. Dark. Only one or two messages. So there's no scroll bar. I want messages, so no scroll bar because that is just stupid. Right, for the minimal. Without the times. I don't like the timestamps on the minimal one. That is just like shit. Timestamps, but with platform icons. Okay. Sure, right? Sure. That's gonna be okay. Okay, cool. Codebook. That token is set like org wide, so I think they should be able to. Usable. When is the 11th? That's Saturday? No, right? That's next week. No. Maybe I'm gonna buy some more drinks. Because I'm getting a visitor on. Oh, actually, yeah. Wait, okay. What the heck? It's Saturday. I'm getting a visitor on Saturday, and it's a old friend of mine. So I'm not gonna stream on the weekend. It's an old friend. I haven't seen him in a while, and he's coming over, and we're gonna cook together, and I'm gonna probably be inebriated for the rest of the day. Okay. That is doing stuff. That is doing stuff. I'm sorry. I wanted to play some Minecraft with you guys today and have like some faster workflows so we can actually like build something today. But it's still a lot of infrastructure work and behind the scenes work, basically. I know it should have stayed behind the scenes, but I didn't know that script would just kill my PC, okay? So yeah. Ah. It's a fun one. Lovely. One fault. Okay, so runs unbounded. Who says zero swap? No OM demon. Ah. Maybe I do need an OM demon. Maybe I do need swap too. Okay, I don't want to swap, but okay. Slash, by the way. Me a command to set swap to 32. Ah, I'm gonna get swap. I wanna swap. I wanna swap. Actually, or do I just need? I need an OM demon. The swap will just. Yeah, wait a second. Slash. By the way, give me a CMD to install a good. We need an OM demon. We don't need swap. We need an OM demon. That kills stuff that if we go OM. Because otherwise, if we have like something that runs on unbounded, okay, cool. Now we just. Yeah. There you go. That's it. That's what we want. Because if anything runs unbounded, we'll just fill the 32 gigs of swap 2 and then just die anyway. So, wow. Doesn't help us. Oh. Cool. Okay, it still thinks that I. What the swap? I'm going on swapping. Okay, let's get also a swap. You know what? That's probably not a bad idea. Hello, Robert. Hello. How you doing? That should be it. Oh, wait. Or how was that or phrased? Ah, so I still need all of these things. Uh, swap on failed. Why? That worked. Schmod worked. Okay, we're just gonna me buy car. Let's go! I got my car too again. I have now returned to the car owners. What kind of car did you get? So wait, we had what? Yeah. Oh. Not a bad choice. Not a bad choice. We had one of those when we were on Forteventura. Decent car. Does get you from one place to another. What? Am I just stupid? I am. Yay. If I do this. None. Ah. Am I? How stupid am I? Yeah, 0 byte swap. Okay, we're just gonna put this to 1 and copy the shit down one by one. So that worked. That did something. This did something. This did not. Oh, sorry. That was not what I wanted. Trouble. Okay. Use the DD variant. Okay, cool. Bro. May I copy this? Okay, not perfect, but sure. Look who creates swap. Yeah, because I don't like it, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, lovely. How do I get rid of that again? RM dash F slash swap file. Mission denied, sure, sudo. Okay. Still no swap. Fucking hell. Yeah, whatever. Okay. You do all the work. Continue. I'm gonna say, surely, still doing this. Yeah, but now we have a different issue. It's fine. The minimal theme has a crazy gap between the messages that does not represent the actual log. Anyway, you should some sort of app. Aha! I should some sort of app, yeah. You know what's I mean, hey, call me crazy, right? But I have made some sort of app. I have made some sort of app. So, yeah. What app? Do you see the chat down there? Do you see that? Yours truly. That's why it breaks sometimes. All chat? Yeah. I did that. And we are now redesigning the front page because someone, rightfully so, said that they didn't sign up for it because they didn't know what they're gonna get themselves into. Like that that they don't know what kind of themes they are and they don't want to bother with CSS and stuff. So, yeah. And we can just display our themes. That is no issue whatsoever. And made some themes just for that. Yeah. Should give people a better idea of what is possible. But I do need to invest some time into revamping all the themes, giving them more distinctive looks, and really getting the getting them sleek and nice and stylish, because the themes they are successful decently. We have close to 1,000 sign up users. At basically any moment, about 20 people are using it, so it's okay. Could be better, but hey, it's a very it's still a start, and I'm trying to get into a market that is a bit oversaturated, but there are some features that only we have. I'll be the 21st now. You probably won't need it because it's a thing for streamers. I mean, you can very much use it. There's a viewer section where you can tell all chat, hey, I want this color to appear on stream. But since you're on Twitch, you can already do that. Oh, I run it, supervised. Okay, sure. I thought you as an well, but whatever. I mean, yeah, that looks like something died. Control T, H top. Keep memory in check. And right, the 20 people using it anytime are actually streamers using the tool right now, right? That's it's a way different scale. Because obviously streamers don't stream 24/7, so it's whenever someone is actually streaming, actually has the overlay open and uses it. And there are some features that I would like to release to the public, but I'm right now they're premium gated because they could technically be a little bit too powerful and use up all my hard-earned quota, which I need to protect. Thank you, YouTube. And yeah. Whoop. But I do think this is better. This is the better thing. Except now this changes size, which is kind of shitty. But yeah, I can choose one thing. Can I? Let me check if I doxed anything. If I show you some behind the scenes here. Ah, yeah. Yeah, no, I can't. I would show the overlay IDs, and you can do stuff with that. Can we do something interesting, please? I wish! But we're still doing infrastructure. We're still doing infrastructure. So the problem, right? The problem right now. For the Minecraft mod, we do need a local Kubernetes cluster because the whole Minecraft mod is heavily integrated with Kubernetes. So we need to spin up a local cluster, and we will have to do some shenanigans with that and get all the images into the cluster and stuff like that. So before we can even test, we need the testing environment, and that is sadly a lot of work. It's boring work. But it's work that has to be done. So it's just that. It's maybe tomorrow we will be able to actually get to a point where we can test stuff. When should I come back? Tomorrow maybe? I don't know. It's always, you can always ask weird questions. I mean, you are a weird little guy yourself. Emphasis on the little. So yeah. After all, I'm the smart person, right? I am the smart guy. I am the engineer. So that's the person who you come to when you want to ask questions. Legit. I mean, we could stalk some people on Orchard. I doubt that all of these are currently active, are they? Maybe they are. That's just how many? 81. Maybe. Oh, right. Some of these are duplicated for some reason. That is something I will have to look into at a later date. Not gonna do that today. So who is Hayalina3? And are they streaming right now? No. They're not. Should we look at people? Are they Ukrainian or Russian? I don't even know what that's. That's a ruble. Oh yeah, actually, they're Russian. Well, rip. They're Russian? Nah, right? Yeah, one visitor from Russia. What the heck? Crazy. Also, a visitor from Kazakhstan. I mean, we can look at this. Oh, but the metrics were gone for like a few days. So it's like not that telling. I have obviously stats for everything, right? I have stats for where people came from and what people are clicking on and where people are coming from and what a person is doing on the side, right? So I know roughly what they are doing stuff. Is this 7 day? No, this is this week. Last 7 days is this, and you can see that there's a lot of stuff gone, and that is because I fucked up my course. My cross-origin resource security, I think, is the referral security. Yeah, that is but last 24 hours was... That's okay, it's 450 views. A lot of people coming from... Okay, accounts.google, that's the login. That's auth.twitch is the login. But google.com apparently is a big funnel for us. And yeah, I mean, that is obviously... That is to be expected. 70% people using Chrome, 13% using Firefox. Most people on Windows 10 or 11. Very sad to see this. But what can you do? But yeah, tell about me. That is the fun part. I can't. If I look at sessions, I can say, oh, hey, there's a person from the United Arab Emirates. What have they done? Oh, yeah, they clicked on these things. But as you can see, this is just some random ID that doesn't mean anything, and I don't know which overlay they used. Because I don't need that. I don't need to know that. I need to know, hey, where did they click through? What is like the, what did they check? Is there some, is there something they got hung up on or whatever? So this is data that I will use in like a few months past after I've collected enough to improve the UX, so the user experience, right? I don't know who uses my site. That is... I don't want to know that. Even though I do kind of know that, because obviously I can see which, in order to debug stuff, I can see which streams are live right now. But for this metrics, I don't record who is on that. I'm decently sure that this is I, because they are using the admin links, which only I have access to, and they're on Linux. From Germany. That is, I only know one guy that is capable of doing all of these three things. So yeah, it's not really a guess here, but for everything else, I don't know, and I don't need to know. I mean, everything that is Linux is most likely I. Hey, drink water, something? I already drink my lemonade. Hello, drink a lemonade. 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 But yeah. I'm excited. There's a person from Kazakhstan. Going straight to overlay ID. Oh, okay, so they are a registered user who have overlay ID? Overlay ID. Yeah, that is the public. Yeah, that's a public endpoint, yeah. Real time. Admin Hi, what? Anyway. But yeah. So this is Umami. That is a open source, private focused analytics tool for your website. And then I have Grafana, which it tells me how the entire cluster is behaving. So I can check, hey, how many people are, how many connections do we have currently on the WebSocket front? What is, how many messages are being sent? Do we have like any drops? Do we have any issues at any point? It's a lot of noise at the moment. We'll get to a point, hopefully, where there's less noise and I can actually use these metrics for a little bit more meaningful things. But like, I can see my user registrations, right? Over the last 7 days, 50 people have signed up, which is roughly a linear increase. Like, there haven't been that many more, but it's fine. Like, there's no increase in registration. Platform operations, we can check if we're getting errors or whatever. There's a lot of stuff going into backends from my perspective. I'm a platform engineer at the moment, so this is what I do. I look at graphs and see, oh yeah, everything's fine, because there are no sudden spikes. This is kind of like weird, but it is a token refresh attempt, and we're just looking at a YouTube success. So there's just, this isn't a bad thing. It just happened to have, there was a positive thing. That's okay. And then, I don't know, of Kubelet, we can look at, oh, there's a lot of stuff running, and there are a few errors. A lot of, a shit ton of different things. One thing already is the stream detection health, which I need to revamp because this doesn't tell me jack shit anymore. It's just a bad. And the event sub migration, that is also something that is not needed anymore because we've migrated already. That is done. YouTube rollout, right? That is also done. We have rolled out InnerTube. Hotspot is something I don't need to show. Event sub migration, right? That is people who have not migrated yet. But those are all people who haven't used all chat in the last month or two. That is just, okay, you guys are not using all chat. I don't care. You will have to re-auth once you want to use it again. It's a little bit annoying that's 80%, but I have made a horrible error in an earlier iteration, and that's just it. Service overview. Don't like this because that's bullshit. YouTube obviously works, and these should also give me data, but nah, it's fine. Maybe I should throw an agent on this and get some more info. Is there anything else I can show you still? What all chat looks from a admin's perspective? Not really, eh? I mean, maybe the cluster, but to be honest, cluster is just a lot of colorful lines with a lot of text, and then you're just looking at things that you don't understand. Okay. Rerunning our thingy. Don't see any noticeable increase in any usage. So might actually be okay right now. Okay. All your feedback is at rest. But this doesn't work anymore because the thing probably has been shut down, right? Oh. This one seems to be... Oh. Oh. Something is happening. What is using is the most memory? A ton of next server instances. Yeah, okay, lovely. I don't know what's going on down there. This one is just stuck. PS aux grab chromium kill Yep, that was not what I wanted to copy. Felt no such process. This one. Okay, I mean, maybe they are all just gone. Cool. So let's try to kill this again. I'm decently sure I just killed this process. Why are you still existing? Okay, then we're going to grab for next. And going to kill all these funny guys. And there again, no such process. Do they just have that much churn? No. Oh! Nice! No! It happened again! Oh, it just happened again. What the fuck? Oh, lovely. You guys... I wanna hear myself. Twice! Amazing. Hmm. Yeah, so everything froze again. Oh, really? It's not a memory issue. It's not a memory issue, and I can't work on that at work because I can't just run that in the background, can I? If it crashes my PC. Oh yeah, so I have to restart this PC. Oh, by the way, can I? No, that doesn't work at all because it's doing some really weird stuff. Oh, man. Ah, this is painful. Tomorrow? Whoa. Hmm. Hmm. That is not my password. That is not my password. This is. Oh boy. Oh, caps lock. Yeah, that's with caps lock. That is also not my password. There you go. Cool. CD git electric boogaloo. F port max slash resume. It crashed again. The indie I can see is that any command will return a ZSH input error and something about slash def slash spool slash mail. I did not see a memory spike. It was solid at 6G usage. Oh man. Oh man. Yay. Oh man. Welcome in my world. Doing things, hoping that nothing crashes, and then doing it again because it did crash. CD git shut ultra code slash resume. Continue. Oh, wait, what? Smooth, hide ease between slides and scroll all that padding. I did like the messages. Any chance we could give me your honest opinion? Any way we implement that back, or is that gone for good? and for the better question mark. Okay. In the importer just froze the box sanctum. How do you want to proceed? Yeah. I crash machine again. Make sure it causes wrong. Flat 6 key. Main spool. Your root file system is gone. Read only. Oh wow. Lovely. Uh. You can run non-sudo cmds yourself to find the cause. Oh, it's either already doing that. Already doing that. Okay. I mean, that would work. Ah, and never gone away. Okay. Uh. Hmm. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! DMSG message. Let me know. I can run that. Critical read kernels. There's no kernel bug trace recorded. Crashed reboot or grab. Informational features online. The pattern log just stops. Of hard hang with journal D couldn't flush before the freeze. Oops. Yeah. Well, okay, he's going on a journey. The glow is gone as far as I can see it. How could we re-implement it without Um. Bring back the old layout. Any? Yes. Should we keep it? Should we keep it removed? The 0 is a good idea. Okay. Oh, but I know they're actually running. Oops. Look up during the continue unpack. I am doing something people don't like, apparently. So if I click on sign in, oh, that just throws me down there. Okay, that's fine. I mean, the docs are already pretty cool, I think. I would use this. What? The guy who built it actually likes his things. What? Would it feel heavy, tasteful model version? Each card reveals a soft glow that follows the cursor only way over it. The cursor. Hmm. 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 Anyway. Native container D snapshots are not the default overlay of SDK3D. Inside a Docker container store itself. Stacks overlay on this host. Nested overlay unpack lock the whole machine when extracting large game images. Clear expect stacking overlay mounts, avoiding the kernel path through more disks, slower first impact, fine. Yeah, that's absolutely okay. The previous kernel. There is no previous kernel. It might have just been small enough that this wasn't an issue. But yeah. Yeah, data layer and EB API, those are small. The big ones are crashing. That's probably the issue. Well, we're gonna see if this teeny tiny thing actually fixes it. Does this update on the why are you hanging? Okay, wait, let's do a cleanup. Remove all chat. But why am I at 82 CPU load? Is this not an issue with my stuff? Oh my god. Will the PSOX work? PS... Okay, that works. The Chromium does something crazy and we want to kill that guy. Okay, fuck it. What? Yeah. There you go. Fuck, it happened again. It actually happened again. It did get a PSOX. Kill failed. Okay, I think we're back. Yeah, because Chromium died. Cheers, Ox. Crap. Chromium. Wir haben again. What the fuck is going on with my system? Maybe I just need to... Okay, I'm gonna reboot. Update. But I'm gonna do that off stream. This is getting ridiculous. So guys, I'll wish you all a very good night. And then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Nighty night. Goodbye. Goodbye.